In today's episode, I'm thrilled to talk about why I believe XRP investors are going to lose hope in the market. I can see that XRP's legal troubles were the main reason it did not have the same boom as many other cryptocurrencies in 2021. However, I'm beginning to believe that these legal restrictions are a planned tactic that might be used to discourage ordinary investors, like us, from taking part. What makes XRP so appealing is its core objective, particularly given the future we are heading toward, which is becoming more and more digitally focused. As everyone knows, the digital age has here, and almost everything is moving to a tokenized format. XRP's primary objective is to facilitate transactions for a variety of assets, not only currencies, according to an examination of its founding documents, including its white paper. This is especially crucial in a world where tokenization is becoming more and more common. It's intriguing to think about how XRP was developed to make it easier to swap asset-based tokens and cash. The primary objective is efficiency, and tokenization greatly simplifies processes. XRP is positioned to become the basis for digital asset and currency transactions, perhaps in conjunction with Stellar, its less flashy twin. To better appreciate how XRP can change the remittance environment, let's look at how it affects liquidity in the current banking system for foreign payments. Assume, for example, that twice as much money would be required to move $200 million from a Japanese bank to an American bank. This perspective holds that by greatly increasing the amount of liquidity in this industry, XRP has the potential to totally change how international remittances function. I'll look at how XRP can transform the liquidity and foreign currency markets. Imagine a world where a token like XRP makes transactions practically instantaneous. This technology has the potential to unlock a huge amount of liquidity, which would result in a market that is much more efficient. Because of its effectiveness, Ripple has worked with numerous banks. However, the transition to institutional adoption is not yet complete. To illustrate this, let's examine the subsequent example. Previously, you would have needed the same amount at both places in both currencies. Thus, if the Tokyo-based Bank of Mitsubishi had needed to transfer $100 million worth of yen to its New York office and convert it into dollars, would have essentially required you to purchase $200 million. But if this transaction were connected to a cryptocurrency like XRP, the consequences would be dire. Another interesting event to consider is Ripple's potential decision to go public, for which it is requesting SEC approval. Ripple's victory in the lawsuit when Judge Torres declared it was not a security is one significant turning point. I've been an XRP investor for a long, despite the fact that we don't discuss it much on the channel. I had a conflicting connection with XRP during the previous bull market. Even though XRP's performance was severely hindered by the litigation, I made more money on other investments. Furthermore, I'm intrigued by the XRP community's often intense, almost cult-like enthusiasm. There have been times when I have been unduly optimistic about a project, and XRP was no exception. This caution is partly a result of my concern that some of my followers might have lost money on investments they made based on my fervor. However, recent technical analysis suggests that XRP might be set to replicate its 2017 ascent. The current setup is similar to what was in place prior to the 2017 rise. Our numerous audio discussions of the HVF Hunt volatility funnel method have benefited greatly from the addition of Francis Hunt as a guest. He predicts that XRP's value would increase dramatically from its present price of roughly 60 to 16. If this forecast proves to be accurate, investors might win handsomely. The purpose of today's video is to demonstrate what I consider to be XRP's enormous potential. Yes, it may sound like a cliché, but there are strong arguments for thinking that investors in XRP are about to experience a major victory. The important thing is that the technical structure of XRP appears to be following a pattern similar to the one preceding the significant spike in 2017. As an XRP owner, I find it promising that the cryptocurrency did not reach any new highs in 2021. This could mean that the spike from 2017 will happen again. I share the optimism as well. Francis Hunt used his techniques to predict the ISC prognosis. Over the past year, I have been investigating the parallels between the current situation and the patterns that existed prior to 2017. The probability that XRP will reach $16 suggests that a major catalyst is on the horizon. A number of factors could be at play here, such as Ripple's recent decision to repurchase its stock, which demonstrates confidence in their strategy, or the potential for them to go public. Considering how important instant liquidity is in the current financial climate, I think XRP ought to be a part of your portfolio. I also want to acknowledge how frustrated a lot of XRP investors have been. I concur. However, I believe that our patience will soon be rewarded since a breakout and long-awaited run are about to occur, which might drastically alter XRP's value and position in the cryptocurrency market. In this section of the movie, I want to look into the idea that the SEC was trying to dissuade ordinary investors from investing in XRP, possibly under the influence of higher powers, even though Ripple had been sued until recently. The number of banks working with Ripple is astounding. The legal problems don't seem to have affected these financial institutions, which highlights XRP's resilience and potential. Notably, XRP is one of the few cryptocurrencies having a clear legal status because it is not classified as a securities. Technical indicators back up the idea that XRP has the potential to grow its market share of cryptocurrencies overall as a result of this clarity. Looking ahead, a number of Ripple statements and forecasts suggest that 2024 will probably be a crucial year for both XRP and Ripple. It will be interesting to see how these expectations come to pass, but objectivity must be maintained. I believe that XRP is a wonderful addition to a diversified portfolio, but I do not advise you to put all of your money into it. We include a variety of sectors and cryptocurrencies in our crypto portfolio, each with a unique function. As many investors in XRP discovered in 2021, this is particularly true in the erratic cryptocurrency market. Effective transaction channels are necessary for the development of the Internet of Value in order for this new ecosystem to function properly. This makes cryptocurrencies like XRP and XLM attractive options for supporting this emerging digital economy. These currencies play a significant role in value transfers and the remittance market. Please keep in mind that I am not a registered financial advisor. Information is